class 62 type C chopper or 2-quadrant chopper type A. Here you have 2 choppers and 2 diodes. In type A and type B, there is 1 chopper and 1 diode. Here 2 choppers and 2 diodes. This gives Q1 and Q2 operation. In Q1 you can see chopper 1 and diode 1 are operating. In Q2 operation, chopper 2 and diode 2. Diode 1 is also called as FD, freewheeling diode. When chopper 1 is operating, you can see current will flow from supply to load like this. It is called as forward motoring. Load voltage will be equal to supply voltage. When chopper 1 is off, load current will be freewheeling through the diode D1. Load voltage will be 0. Just diode drop. Next, Q2 operation. When chopper 2 is on, energy in the battery or the motor, now motor will act as generator because there is no supply, it is rotating, there is separately field there. Okay, now current will increase when chopper 2 is on and energy will be stored in the inductor, but current will be now reversed. See here, when chopper 1 is on, current will be increasing in the positive direction. This is positive current direction. When chopper 1 is on, current is increasing in the positive direction. When chopper 1 is off, current is decreasing but freewheeling. Voltage is 0. Voltage will be 0. Initially it is supply voltage, then voltage will be 0 during freewheeling. When chopper 2 is on, voltage will be equal to voltage will be equal to, that is E, back EMF plus LdI by dt. See, when chopper 1 is on, it is supply voltage. When diode is operating, diode 1 is on, it is 0. When chopper 2 is on, the load voltage will be equal to E plus LdI by dt. E plus LdI by dt. Now these both will be adding. When this is on, this will be opposite to this. Now when the current is decreasing, current is increasing. Current is increasing in the positive direction. Current is decreasing in the positive direction. Now current is increasing in the negative direction. See, current is increasing in the positive direction. Current is decreasing in the positive direction. Now when chopper 2 is on, current is increasing in the negative direction like this. Now if we switch off this, current will be negative, but it will now start decreasing. Now current will flow like this and like this and like this. Energy will be fed back to the supply. Hence this is called as regenerative chopper. Voltage will be always positive or 0 when it is freewheeling. Average voltage is always positive. You can see current will be positive during motoring and negative during regenerating.